Nobody's gonna know.
This video shows this woman who got the vaccine and is now currently breastfeeding and is able to transfer the antibodies from her vaccine to the different members of her family, including her husband, who is unable to get vaccinated for a medical reason, I believe. I think this is so awesome, and I just wanted to share something because a lot of people in the comments are asking, like, is this even possible? Can you even transfer antibodies through breast milk? The answer is, of course, that you can, and it's actually one of the main reasons why humans breastfeed. And it is theorized that is one of the main reasons why humans have a desire to kiss their babies. This is actually one of my favorite evolutionary theories, and it posits that, like, the reason that women especially have this desire, like this inclination to kiss their babies like all over, is so that we can actually ingest the pathogens that are on their body, because they don't really have an immune system built up yet, but we do, and we can ingest those pathogens, build up antibodies against those pathogens, and pass them on to our babies through our breast milk. I just think it's so cool that there's an evolutionary mechanism for almost everything we do.
Humans supposed to eat meat? Technically speaking, no.
If humans are supposed to be herbivores, then we're some of the worst designed herbivores possible because we can't digest cellulose, making us very limited in the parts of a plant that we can extract calories from. Like, a rabbit can subsist on a diet of mostly grass and some green leafy vegetables, whereas if a human eats just those things, they starve to death.
Las dimensiones son grados de libertad que tenés para moverte. En un mundo de una dimensión, solo sos libre de moverte en una dirección, derecha e izquierda. Ponele que a tu posición le ponemos de nombre X. X igual a 4 quiere decir que estás en el punto 4. En un mundo de 2 dimensiones, sos libre de moverte en 2 direcciones, derecha e izquierda y adelante atrás. A tu posición en la dirección horizontal le ponemos X y en la vertical Y. X igual a 4, Y igual a 2, quiere decir que estás en el punto 4,2 del mundo. Si algún hater te dice que Y es igual a X menos 2, quiere decir que te están obligando a moverte solo por esta línea, donde tu posición en Y es 2 números menor al de tu posición en X. Si te salís de esa línea, te caes al abismo y te morís, arre. En un mundo de 3 dimensiones, sos libre de moverte en 3 direcciones: izquierda a derecha, adelante atrás y arriba abajo. Le ponemos de nombre a esas direcciones X, Y y Z. Esto es buenísimo para decirle a alguien dónde estás. Si le decís, estoy en X igual a 4, Y igual a 2 y Z igual a 3, vas a ver exactamente cómo llegar hacia vos. En un mundo de 4 dimensiones tenés 4 grados de libertad: izquierda a derecha, adelante atrás, arriba abajo y... Si no podés ver la cuarta dimensión, es porque necesitas un cerebro más potente. Si la pudiste ver, comenta abajo qué se siente.
No, I can't laugh yet. I've got to hold it in. They're all gonna die.
I'm gone and I gotta stay high all the time to keep you off my mind.
Trying to have my baby, but plan be the only plan.
Boy, you just my sneaking link, so don't keep texting me. Damn. I'm not your bitch, stop checking me. You come last when he
With permission from the state of Arizona, we transplanted these cacti from a construction site. The shade cloth is placed on them to reduce the stress of the sun over the summer as they regrow their roots. These are young saguaros and beryl species. Months after moving them and putting them in a new location, it is nice to remove the cloth and see how healthy they are and how well they are doing.
Just a little while and tell me where you've been. I've been staying up at night, thinking about it. And it's been oh so long that I've been feeling like this.
Here you can see my dermestid beetle colony cleaning a black-throated monitor lizard skull. In the wild, dermestid beetles are terminal phase scavengers, which means they come in after the flies and the maggots and all the other scavengers have gone. At that point, the carcass is really dry and they eat the dried flesh beneath the mummified skin. Although this time-lapse took about a week, they tend to work faster if they're covered up and in a dark place. I keep my dermestid beetles in a glass tank with cotton ball and styrofoam substrate and a small heating pad underneath during the colder months. And here is the completed skull without the sclerotic rings and quadrate bones.